Give the domain for n of x equals x plus 10 over x squared plus 2x minus 48 in interval notation. In order to find the domain, what we need to do is think about certain places where we could run into potential division by zero or square roots of negatives. So we could run into division by zero in this particular function if we had values such that the denominator, which is x squared plus 2x minus 48, happened to be equal to 0. Now, to solve this, we have a quadratic set equal to 0. That means we need to factor this if possible, and if it won't factor, we can use something like completing the square or the quadratic formula. But this should be fairly easy to factor. X and x give me x squared. 48, I need two factors that are relatively close together because I have to get them to add to 2. So 48 could be 2 and 24, 4 and 16, I believe. Maybe I'll get the calculator to assist here. 48 divided by 4. Okay, 4 and 12. Good thing I got the calculator, huh? All right, let's try 48 and 16. That's 3. That's not going to be any good. How about 48 and 6? Oh, there we are. Yes, 6 times 8 is 48. That makes sense. So 6 and 8 give me 48. If the 8 is positive and the 6 is negative, that would multiply to negative 48, but then also add to positive 2. So there's the factored form of the denominator. And if we set each of those factor equal to 0 and solve, then that will tell me what the zeros of the denominator are, which would be 6 and negative 8. Those are the values that we have to exclude from our domain. So normally a function's domain is just negative infinity to positive infinity. But we need to skip over these two numbers. So we're going to go from negative infinity to negative 8, and I'm using negative 8 first because it's smaller than negative 6, because you have to go in numeric order. So negative 8, and then use a parenthesis so you exclude the negative 8 in this set. And then you have the set from negative 8 to positive 6, which also does not include the negative 8. Then you have a third set from 6 to positive infinity. So negative 8 and positive 6 are not included in any of these sets, but all other numbers are. So that's the domain and interval notation.